Hi everyone, it's Skillet Social. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to set goals. Goal setting is an important step you can take to help you achieve success in life. Goals can be anything from small wishes to big dreams. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Define your goal. Decide what it is that you want to achieve and make sure it's something you are passionate about. 2. Make your goals specific. Try to break down your goal into smaller, more achievable tasks. This will help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Set a timeline. Establish a timeline for completing your goal. This will help to keep you on track and give you a sense of urgency. 4. Create a plan. Create a plan of action for reaching your goal. List out the specific steps that you need to take and the resources you need to have in order to succeed. 5. Monitor your progress. Track your progress on a regular basis. This will help you to stay on track and make adjustments if needed. 6. Celebrate your successes. Celebrate your successes along the way. This will help to keep you motivated and positive. Setting goals is a great way to help you focus, plan and achieve success. So don't hesitate and start setting your goals today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.